Here is my review for a 3D printed katana. Honestly, I think it's pretty cool. It seems pretty cool. I'd say detail is pretty cool. It could use some work at the end, but all I need to do is sand that. It's collapsible, and you can do this. You do. Oh. But don't shake it too hard. It's basically this. Like, it's pretty cool looking. I might use one of my paint pens to make the blade silver. And also get the little nub marks off. See? But basically, you do this. Here we go. You just, oh no. And the top falls out from time to time.